Hello, hello, and welcome to Miss Media. Today we are going to talk about how to make your WordPress website private. So, for example, if you have a specific page on your website that you need to have that page private so you can do maintenance or whatever it is, I'm going to walk you through that process. So stay tuned and I will walk you through how to do this. There are two methods. The first method is by doing it by a plugin. You can do this with a plugin called My Private Site, and let me walk you through the process. The first thing you want to do is once you're on the back end of your website, your WordPress website, you want to go to plugins, add new, and you can just type in My Private Site, hit enter, and this is gonna show up right here, and you can just install the plugin and follow the instruction. Now that's the longest way. The shortest way and the easiest way is to go to pages, all pages, and let's say, for example, you want to make some changes to your about page and you don't want to shut down your whole site. So what you can do is you can go to quick edit and you can click private and click update. So that's one way to do that. Another way is you can click edit from here, right? And you go to visibility. This right here is going to say public, and click on that, it's going to say public. But remember, since we click private on the quick edit, that's why this is saying private. So this is going to say public, and you can just change it to private, and then you hit update and you click view site. Your site is going to be like this. And then to test that out, I'm going to go here to my website and we're going to go to about. And let me just refresh this. Once I refresh it, let's see. This page does not exist. So because this page is not on private, no one will be able to see anything on this page until you go back. And let's give it 1 second, go to edit page. And if we go back here and we'll click public, and you update. If you go to view page, and let's go back to, and then we just refresh. Here you go. Your page is now public. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you put your page and your website on private. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.